All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So this what you call this application that I created is all about Zillow scraper. It's a Zillow scraper that scrape every listing that you search on Zillow. Okay, so right now I am scraping this what you call this list. Right, this is the Detroit, Michigan duplex and triplex homes. So what the scraper will going to do is to get the price, the address, the broker name, and then click on the listing, and then get the listing agent, their phone numbers, the URL, and also the year built. Usually you can get it somewhere else. Okay, but this is the only main data that we're going to be extracted will be price, address, complete address, and then the broker name, and then the listing agent and their phone number. All right. So right now as you can see here, it's being the ones currently scraping is the 11336 Nardin Drive, Detroit, Michigan. Four up. It's okay. It's already for 2494 Hazelwood Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48206. Okay, and then we're going to go there. As you can see here, the other one has already been scraped. Okay, and the ones, I mean the data that's being read by the scraper will be this one, input.csv. All right, and then the agent's results are already here on this. As you can see here, right? So all the name of the agent will be here, and their phone number are also located in this spreadsheet or in the CSV file. The link is also there. I didn't put the beds, bath, and square feet, and also the year built because this is not part of the data that being asked me to scrape. Okay, only the address, the URL, the broker name and listed by, and also the phone number of the agent is also we're going to be scraped by this app. As you can see, it's currently running. And usually, on the first time, the first time that you're going to run the script, it will going to, it will going to pop up this CDP or the Chrome developer port, and it will going to tell you to click on the press and hold only once. Well, not once. Every other time that it will going to it will going to tell you like this. Let me give you an example. This one, block detected. Solve it in a browser, then press enter or skip this whole link or this listing. But if you don't want to skip, just press enter once you solve the press and hold in the Zillow website on this page. Usually it will going to pop up here saying press and hold. Just press and hold it until it's already solved. Okay, and then once it's solved, you just have to press enter on this terminal, and then you can be able to continue scraping your listing. Okay, so right now we are less. I mean we are currently scraping 395 results on this query. Okay, so anytime now it's going to be done, right? And now I'm going to close this because it will going to keep on. The exporting of data will be updated in. It will going to be live or it will going to be exported directly to CSV. Okay, I'm sorry, going to be directed to CSV once it's scraped from the Zillow, and then it will going to go to the CSV file right away. Okay, so there's no you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for this scraper to finish because it will going to be exported right away in the CSV file in this agent underscore result dot CSV. So if you like this kind of video or this kind of project, just click on the subscribe button or like the channel, or if you want to share to your friends, please do. And if you have any question regarding the code or regarding the app that I created, just write a comment down below or send me an email because my email is also included in the I mean it's viewable once you click on the view email on my profile. So yeah, if you are interested, just send me an email, okay, or write a comment below. Thank you very much.